Alright, what's up, boys? Good morning. Today is Wednesday, June 25th. Made around $1,800 today trading the Nasdaq. I no longer have tops of accounts. I fucked up and blew those. I do have 3 advanced Alpha Capital qualified accounts now, which is the same shit as I essentially have 350k XFAs, but with Alpha Capital. And trade I took was right here. So market was moving like shit the entire day. This move up made sense, but it didn't make good sense because we have this 1 hour fair value gap resting below us. We have a 15-minute order block here, and price chose to rip off the 5-minute with no internal draws. Our only draws are external right now, which are literally close to all-time highs. So this is just moving like shit. This is Powell speaking, by the way. That's crazy. Powell can't even move the market anymore. These are pricing with the least volatile market conditions I've seen in a few months. This is fucking terrible. But the only decent setup I saw this long had no targets. Good long, but no targets. If there was some sort of like buy side resting, I think I would have taken it. All right. Hop down to the 4 hour. We are obviously bullish. There's nothing bearish. Overnight, we tapped into this 4 hour, pushed higher, close above. On the hourly chart, what do we see? Bullish structure, price creates this 1 hour fair value gap and this 15-minute order block. You can't see, but that is a down closing candle. We have a 15-minute order block and a 1 hour fair value gap. So what I want price to do, I want price to tap into either this 15-minute order block. Let's get rid of the 5-minute. Oh shit. All right, 15-minute order block, 1 hour fair value gap. Let's see what the fuck ES does. ES does tap into that 1 hour. All right, there's no 15-minute order block on ES. It's all the way up here, so we want price to rip through that. Oh, let me get rid of this shit. What the fuck is that? Right, if we look at what ES, you can see there's an SMT at the 836 low. Price takes it and taps into a 1 hour fair value gap. If we look at Nasdaq, the 836 low is going to be right here. Or not. All right, I guess we have a double SMT then. But we had an SMT at the hourly fair value gap, which is essentially just that candle. Let's just call it here. There, same shit. SMT at this low with ES. ES took the low. Nasdaq did not. Nasdaq did not tap into the 1 hour while the ES did. That's an SMT for us, bullish SMT. We also tapped into this 15-minute order block. Now, at the time, there was this 5-minute being created that you can see got respected. But it was not something I really cared about. I did expect price to kind of rip through it. So I did set 2 targets, being this 1-minute order block, 1-minute order block, and 1 hour, or 1 minute high. Oh, we just tapped into that 1 hour. 2 targets was 1 hour, 1 minute order block, and this 1 minute high, 5-minute high. It's a high on every time frame. It actually doesn't matter. It's an hourly high, right? Like, it's just a fucking high. Internal high. SMT, we had a 5-minute bearish fair value gap. I did pre-fire it. I entered in long after we had an SMT and respected this 5-minute, right? Stops were, that is a short. Hold up. It's my bad. Stops were below the low. TP was at the 1-minute order block. Like that. Negative RR. And I did make around $600 across each of my accounts. Not bad, not the worst. Actually, my fill was probably like here or some shit. Engine. Damn, where did I get filled? I'm not even trolling. I entered in 1 contract. Whatever. Alright. Not bad though. I did de-risk today because today was shit. The market's moving like 10 points. Like, look at this. This is my trade. Made around 600 on each of my accounts. Honestly, not the best trade. Was based off the respective of 5-minute bullish fair value gap and a 5-minute order block. SMT at a 1 hour fair value gap and a 15-minute order block. So in hindsight, this is a very good trade. But the fact that the market is moving like shit right now, and it's not volatile whatsoever. Like, look. From 10:02 to 10:13, the markets moved 20 points. That's actually groundbreaking. Like, that's fucking crazy. But yeah, if you guys have any questions, trade was based off hourly SMT, 15-minute order block, 5-minute fair value gap respect, and 5-minute order block respect. So we got a closure respecting those confluences. So I entered in long. 20 points, not bad for a scalp. Made around 600 on 3 accounts, so I made $1,800. Not bad at all. If you guys have any questions, let me know. I'll be here to answer them. I hope you guys have a nice day. I hope you guys traded safe. If you guys are interested in joining me and George's mentorship, like I said, that is starting. That is started. It has begun. We already got like 3-4 payouts from our students, which is not bad because we've only had it open for a week. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out. Apply to work one-on-one with us in the bio. Hope you guys have a nice day and trade safe. Peace out.